This is verse 14 of the 20th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. There has been a protest raised against the landowner because he's paying those who had only worked an hour out there in the vineyard the same wage that he had promised to those who had worked the entire day. And of course the grumbling is probably predicated on the idea that's not fair, the idea that there should be a kind of pro rata equivalence among them, and the landowner begins to develop the final conclusion, which will illustrate Jesus' point. Many of the first will be last, and vice versa. The landowner now speaking to the complaining worker, and probably the one who represents others who had the same complaint, Aaron. This is from airo, I take up, I take away. Second person singular, aorist active imperative, so take. To sown. Sown is an adjective. It means, in this case, of you, the of you, meaning the of you denarius, the wage that was given to you. Take that which is yours, kai hupage. Hupage from hupago, go away, second person singular, present active, imperative. So take it and go away. Thelo, from thelo, I say, or I wish or I want, postpositive but I want, tuto, demonstrative pronoun, dative, masculine, singular. I want to this one, and then in addition, to this to eschato, to this the last one. Adjective here, the last, used substantively to the last man, to the last person, so I wish to this last one. Dunai, from didomi, it's an aorist infinitive, I wish to give to this last one. Hos, conjunction as or just as in the same way. Kai, also or even. Soy, as to you, I want to give to this last one who only worked a fraction of the hours that you spent out in the field, the very same wage. And of course, where the landowner is going isn't that my right to do? I could have gone into the market and given him a wage for doing nothing. That's my prerogative. It's my right as the landowner to exercise that sort of discretion. And so where do you think you get the right to start complaining about what I do with my own goods? And of course that will be the conclusion that Jesus reaches in this parable.